So what's Pater Practicus all about? My name is Brendan, I'm a father and I'm reasonably handy. A practical dad, making, mending and modelling all sorts of things. And on this channel I'll be sharing some of my projects, an eclectic range from railways to Raspberry Pi, Lego to light bulbs, very much reflecting my own enthusiasms. Or passing on practical solutions to everyday problems, like a flickering fridge light or a faulty games controller. On the model railway front, I'll be sharing details of my own modest layout, hopefully with some helpful hints for construction and scenics, as well as technical things like adding lights or wiring a DCC decoder. But I'll be covering more general aspects of modelling too, including bespoke conversions or making your own decals. I'll even be doing some unique Lego builds. But it's not going to be just modelling. There's plenty of maker stuff in the mix too, with electrical projects, and perhaps even some of my dabbling into PC builds and gaming repairs, all achieved on a very tight budget. You can also follow my adventures into the world of microcontrollers as I try and teach myself coding for some Raspberry Pi projects, including a solar-powered plant watering monitor. Now I know that everything won't be for everyone, so I've made some themed playlists, but if you are feeling curious, have a poke around. You never know what you'll find. And of course, don't forget to subscribe.